Hey guys, it's Miles the Gecko here, and today I'm really not looking forward to this video. I know I always say that, okay, but I'm really not looking forward to this video. So today I'm going to be playing Cat Mario. Don't know a whole bunch about it. I just know it's like a recreation of Mario, just kind of like harder. But every time I lose, or let's say this, because that's going to be really harsh. Every 3 times I lose, I have to eat 2 extreme sour warheads. Deal? I think that's a deal. Yeah, but they're sour minis. So oh no, there's a warning. Let's read this. Eating multiple pieces within a short period may cause temporary irritation to sensitive tongues and mouths. Well, that's just great. So let's get on into the video. Yeah, so here we are in Cat Mario. Is this to start? Okay. This is a Japan game, I think. So we have 3 lives. Let's do this. Can we, oh wow, okay. Can we jump on them? I guess we can. What? That is such a troll. Is this a trolley game? I really hope this isn't a trolley game. What? Oh, wow. Okay. That was a close call. What? Okay. It's been good so far, actually. And I have heard this is like... I've only heard that it's hard. So that's the troll block. So let's jump over that thing. And let's go. Whew, we made it. Oh, mushroom. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it just fell on my head. Oh, shoot, that was, oh no, it's 3 and then I have to eat 2. Okay. Because then that would just be unfair. It would be one more. Okay. Yeah, I should have stopped talking. Here we go. Not looking forward to this. So wait, what? Oh, I'm not playing right now. It's still going. Just a second. I got it in a spot where they can't hurt me, hopefully. Okay, anyway, so let's do this. So the flavors they have are black cherry, green apple, lemon, watermelon, and blue raspberry. Okay, let's see. Oh no, I got a cherry, guys. Got a cherry, and I have to eat 2. Dang it. Okay. I'm not so bad. Oh, Mom. Oh. Wow, I think that might be sour than the actual red cherry one. And the green one has been chosen. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. These are really sour. Okay. Go back over here. Hey guys, and I don't even have any water in here. I don't want to go get some though because oh yeah, I forgot about that troll. Because I don't want to have the video waiting. Oh, what? I did not even get touched by that. Okay, and the reason it says -3 is because remember I messed up and it just kept going when I didn't want it to. Oh! Wait, what? He's bouncy? Okay, so now we know that mushroom really hope that's a checkpoint. Wait, no, I'm not gonna get it, because it seems bad. It seems like one of those, it seems like it'd be a troll. It just seems like it might be a troll. Okay, so, no! No! I just got trolled badly. Dang it! I hate when it does that to me. I hate when games do that. Oh, why? Okay, so this is kind of like Unfair Mario, except just much harder. Okay. Are you kidding me? The cloud got me? The cloud? The cloud. No, I jumped down here again. Just let me die. Wait, was that 3? I'm gonna do one more. Well, that's it. So that's great. The one I'm hoping really not to get is black cherry or lemon. Even though, wait, let me just mix it up a little. So we get something new. Okay. And the purple. Oh my goodness! I promise I did not plan this. I said I didn't want black cherry and lemon, right? Well, there you go. Black cherry and lemon. Let's just do lemon first because it's going to be the best out of those. Good. Not so bad. Tastes like real lemon. Hey. That was not so bad. Not bad at all. But now for black cherry. Oh. It's not. Oh! 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 Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's just like sweet at first, and then it just hits you right up, like just out of nowhere. Really hope I don't. Sorry, I said, anyways, I hope I don't die. I was gonna say, anyways, I hope I don't die, or I hope I don't die another 3 times. So, I almost just. Oh, hi, shell boo. Like, it looks like a boo with a shell on it. Okay, so don't walk into the cloud. And, wait, what? Whoa! They just fall on you? That is not fair. Not fair, Cat Mario. So I think, like, they fell, like, on the 4th or the 5th one. So, no, I almost just walked off into the dead end where you have to go down the hole. So, wait. Is it on? It's on. Okay, it's on that one. No! So, as soon as I get on that 4th block, I bolt the other way. Okay, oh, wait, I think this is my 3rd, my 3rd try. My 3rd try, so it's the 4th block. 3, 4, run. Okay. Okay. Just let them, okay. Yes. Oh, wait. There's going to be something trolly here. Oh, wow. I almost just got shot by a laser beam. Wait. Are you kidding me? How was I supposed to avoid that? How? I can't control it when it's like that. Oh, guys, my tongue's starting to get a little bit raw. But I'm doing this for you, YouTube. And then we got, oh, blue and red. Got this. Oh, no. I don't got this. Oh, got this. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh. It's so sour. I'm crying. Okay, back to the camera. Oh. The video is getting pretty long. Sorry if it's hard to understand me. My tongue feels like I just got a match and set it on fire. Okay. I think we can do this time though. You just wait till I get to the bottom. Wait, you laser beam. Okay, go, 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 go. No, no. How you caught that? What? Are you supposed to jump on the laser beam? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I think I've gotten over the rawness a little bit, but not a whole bunch. Don't touch the cloud. Ooh, get on the fourth block. So maybe we should walk down here. Okay. Does it still hit us? Pressing every button. I'm pressing. Are we supposed to jump over it? Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Wait, was that? Sorry, I just can't keep track right now. If I miss one, I'll do it. Oh, I'll look back in the video. Sorry. That's not my first priority. No, are we supposed to jump on that? I'm so confused. Why, Cat Mario? Why is it? Look, do you hear this? And I still died. Guys, this is going to be the end of the video here today. Fine, I'll eat my 2 warheads. My tongue hurts so bad. And my last 2 are a blue and a purple. Wait. Yeah, I accidentally dropped it back in. Okay, guys, those are my last 2. 3, 2, 1. At the same time. 3, 2, 1. Oh. God. God. Oh, God. Before I end the video, I just wanted to show you. It's like right here, my tongue is bleeding. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, yeah. Mario made my tongue bleed.